Ladies and gentlemen, filling in for Sonny Eclipse while he's on vacation back in New York City on his home planet of Zork, please welcome Dick Summers.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Magic Kingdom. Yes. Welcome to Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe. What a place to be. A number of undercooked meats and a condiment bar full of prepackaged sauces. It's kind of like a space Arby's. The fist fights out there look like the ones I've seen at the Arby's on OBT, too. Thank you, Rob. Rob, everybody, yes. Moon Rover Rob, yeah. We'll be entertaining all of you until our union-mandated break for 4 hours, which we take in 15 minutes after starting. Yes. You know, Rob and I usually play all the bars and lounges here at the Walt Disney World Resort. This is our first time. First time at a counter-service location. Yes, I'm pretty excited. So is Rob. That's why we put together a special song about this place. Let's do it, Rob. When the cooking was done and the meal had begun, there were poorly cooked burgers sitting on a cold bun, and slushes and salads and french fries too, and sometimes the grilled chicken, it comes out blue. I'll tell you about the meals because they're not all the same. I've had every one of them because I am insane. Go ahead.
Plant-based patty melt.
After eating that, the worst I ever felt.
Angus, chip, and barbecue burger.
I just couldn't digest that any further. The spicy chicken makes your heart feel like a fiery ball. The kids' mac and cheese, the most edible of all. Counter service boogie. Counter service boogie. Counter service boogie. Counter service boogie. 9 bad entrees to choose from. The bathroom visit afterwards, not very fun. The salad is hot, the soup is not. The chicken has a vein that wraps around the whole thing. Noodles will turn Uranus green. The pizza burger's baddest thing that I've ever seen. The chocolate cake's as hard as a rock, and the lemonade comes out of a pot. Counter service boogie. It's a counter service boogie. Counter service boogie. It's a counter service boogie. 9 bad entrees to choose from. The bathroom visit afterwards, not very fun.
Counter service. A counter service. A counter service. A counter service.
Found a worm in my bun. At least somebody's eating some. Oh, yeah. I love them chicken breast nuggets. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Very much, everyone. Very kind. Sir, your app is open. Man, what a very kind, very sweet audience here at the Starlight Lounge tonight. And speaking of very sweet, next weekend, Rob and I are playing a benefit for the displaced animatronics of Splash Mountain. Because I know many of you know this, everybody has a laughing place, but not everybody has a place to sleep. And so that's why it's very important we do that. Anyway, I'd like to come meet some of the lovely folks dining here today at the Starlight Lounge, at least the ones of you that are wearing shirts at this time. Look over here. We have a lone traveler at Ray's. You look a little sweaty, sir. How's your day going?
Not that good, to be honest. I got here early, and I raced right over to Splash Mountain to grab some fast passes, and I couldn't find the fast pass machines anywhere, and I couldn't even find the ride.
That's a tough break. They've only gotten rid of that for 8 years now. That's real tough. Who would have seen that coming?
I mean, that's not even the worst of it.
Well, what's your name and what's your problem?
Well, thank you. My name's Nick, and you know, I really wish my friend Tom was here. He really comforts me at times like this.
Tom sounds like a good friend. Am I right? Am I right, crowd? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, he's my best friend, in fact.
Aw.
Yeah.
How sweet.
Yeah, he is really sweet. He's pretty famous too, and he loves that number 7. Yeah.
Tell me more about this stud.
Well, I mean, you might have heard of him. I mean, people call him the GOAT. He's the greatest quarterback of all time.
I'm suddenly way less interested in this. I'll tell you what, Nick, though, we'll dedicate a song from you to your friend Tom, who you've definitely met and definitely know. So Rob, let's hit it. Jill, please. Oh, bright little star, though I'm light years away from him now, I can't help but to feel that somehow we're both wishing on you. I imagine your light in his eyes as he throws the ball into the skies. At this moment, does he realize you are in my eyes too? Oh, bright little star, is he wishing the same wish as me? That like Jordan back in '93, he'll come back in a season or two. And someday he'll be over in Miami, bringing the Dolphins their first victory since 1972. Someday, somewhere, I will find him on the Fox halftime show. Tell him, little star, I'll still watch him, even though Howie Long blows. Good night, little star. Watch and keep him till we meet again in the glow of a career without end, with new models to do. And every night, as we look for ends that are tight, we will know that when money is right, retirement is something you can undo. Ooh, ooh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ray, he's going to need the hard stuff to get over this. Hit him with one of those Sully slushes on old Dick Summers. Yes. Hey, we got some cute kids. You stay over there. We got some cute kids. We got some cute kids. Got some cute kids. It's bad if it's coming from the guy with the mustache. We got some cute kids over here. What are your names?
They don't talk much. Her name is Skyliner, and this one is Runaway Railway.
Those are some beautiful and very unique names. Yes, what brings you to the Magic Kingdom today?
Their dad, Haymaker's at work today, driving airboat tours, so I brought the kids here.
Isn't that special? Kids, what's been your favorite part of your visit to the Magic Kingdom today?
We don't waited for the mine train, and then it was 2 hours, and then we came here.
Well, that sounds this really is the most magical place on earth, isn't it? That just sounds so great. You kids having the time of your lives. What was it, Skyliner and Runaway Railway? Is that Dutch?
It's Von Dutch.
Von Dutch. Okay, great. Either way, all this talk of names reminds me of a song. Rob. Hello, all you earthlings. I'm not Sonny Eclipse.
Not Sonny, he's not Sonny.
So listen to me, people. I sing while you eat chicken strips.
Chicken strips, eat chicken strips.
Performing all the lounges and some fake space cruise ships. So hello, MK Terrans. I am not Sonny Eclipse.
Not Sonny, no, he's not Sonny. He's funny, he's not Sonny.
How about that, Sonny? His current location's unknown. I guess he got lost in the black curtain zone. I could be for a party, but he's probably just broken and alone. Take it, Rob. Play, Rob, play. Take it away. So our crowd at Cosmic Rays, give us some tips today. Hey, hey, hey. Desirable guest, I am not Sonny Eclipse. Oh, yeah. Thank you, everybody. Well, it looks like we're out of time for this set, but don't miss us later this week, we're going to be playing the Adventureland Entrance Planter by the Spring Roll Cart. Yeah, over by the Spring Roll Cart. After that, we are over at the closed restrooms at the Pinocchio Village House. Rob, you know how we got that gig?
Why? How?
We got no strings.
Hey!
What's that? Hold on. I've been given some important park-wide announcements. I've just been told Space Mountain will be down the rest of the day as a power wash hose fell into a stroller wagon with 5 children in it.
Probably swan boat out there. Let's go.
Swan boats out there, okay. You can just leave those.